Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. As the new Zontes 703F is entering all countries around the globe, Zontes send out this training video to show owners how to manually adjust your headlight beam angle. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Please enjoy this video guide with English subtitles. This is an easy process. I would advise you do this procedure in low light conditions so you can see the difference of the light beam. Until next time, Mad Mick.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. We have videos in our playlists in English, Spanish, French, Arabic and Chinese subtitles to help you on your way on all those Zontes models. Please like and subscribe. This is Mad Mick. I'm going to sign off now and I'll see you all later. Happy bye for now.
I'm coming for the throne.